Hi, my name is Rochelle and I am the Office Territory Manager for Vancouver and surrounding area. I'm going to walk you through the Momento today, one of our newest machines recently launched into our commercial line. The Momento is a great machine when you're looking for small to mid-size office space, a smaller restaurant, or any customer-facing application. It's a great machine if you're looking to increase your coffee corners in office space as people are returning to work. So let's make a cup of coffee together and we will walk you through the Momento. So the Momento comes with a touchless feature. It'll prompt you for a QR code. You are able to bypass that if that's an option you're not interested in using. I'm just gonna bypass that there. It's going to prompt you on the size of the beverage in correlation to the capsule. So the machine is going to read the capsule and then recommend the brewing style. So we've got a Guatemala capsule and we're going to go with the Lungo. So 5 brew sizes on this machine. It's a really great machine when you're looking to meet that North American coffee standard, which is a longer cup, and also branch out into the espresso or shorter shot of coffee for your team as well. So great cup of coffee, you've got a nice crema on the top, you've got a nice cascade waterfall down the side of the cups. Visually, the consistency is always going to be the same. Taste-wise as well, consistency is key. So we've got a Lungo Guatemala. Operationally, the Momento is a very simple machine. Really great when you're looking for an option that doesn't require direct plumbing. You've got a 3-liter water tank here, easy to remove. You can fill it, put it back in. You should get at least half a day's worth of coffee out of that. It's also great when you're looking at just general operationally of the machine. It's going to prompt you as to what's happening. So the door is open. It's going to tell you on the screen exactly what's happening and where you need to take a look. So we'll pull that water tank out. It's going to highlight the water door, and you know that you need to pop the water back in. Really simple when you look at cleaning at the end of the day. You're just going to pull open this capsule drawer. It's going to collect all your used capsules. You're going to put them into your recycling bin, and we'll collect them for you. Pop everything back in place. So really simple machine. Also, a great feature on this machine is it's very energy efficient. It's gonna go to sleep during the day, it'll power down on its own, it'll sense you coming in, and it'll start back up. So you're gonna be really efficient when you're looking at your usage of power and just our sustainability. So also a great feature of that machine. Overall, really simple machine to operate and really great when you're looking at spaces where people are gonna be interacting with them personally. Highly recommend the Momento. So if you are interested in hearing a little bit more about the Momento and how it can elevate your existing coffee program, please feel free to reach out to us at EVS. We'd love to come and meet with you and walk you through everything we have to offer.